Hello dear students, today we are going to learn EVS 1 lesson number 2, so many kinds of animals. You will easily recognize the animals in the picture. Can you tell their names and their special features? Let's see first point, where will you find us? An eagle flies high in the sky. A cow walks on the ground. Fish swim in the water. Let's see next point. We are of different colors. The egret is white. The crow and buffaloes are black, but peacock has many different colors. Next, we may be big, we may be small. The horse and bullock are large in size. The goat and the dog are medium in size. The squirrel and the mouse are small. The earthworm and the cockroaches are smaller still. Gnats and ants are very tiny in size. Next, we move in different ways. A squirrel is a small animal. It climbs up a tree quickly. The elephant's body is huge. Its legs are heavy. He cannot run at any great speed. The deer has thin legs. It runs very fast. A frog's hind legs are long. Hind legs means backside legs. So it can easily hop, jump and leap. Next, you find us useful. People love to keep animals. The dog guards our house. People like to keep cats too. Cows, buffaloes and goats gives us milk. Some people keep hens. We get meat, milk and eggs from animals. Bullocks help with farm work. Bullocks, horses, donkeys are used to carry burdens. We take care of them. We feed them. The animals we keep become very dear to us. We, the gate crashers. Some animals enter our houses even though we don't want them, are called gate crashers. Mice, rat destroyed grains. Spiders make cobwebs in the house. Next, we suckle our young. Suckle means feed. The young ones of animals like cow, dog, goat and rat grow up on their mother's milk. These animals have 4 legs. They have hair on their body. They have external ears. Next point, we fly. Birds have only 2 legs. They have 2 wings to fly. Their body is covered with feathers. Birds have differences in the flying ability. The eagle can soar high in the sky and stay in the air for a long time. But cock does not fly high. Next point, we live in water. There are many different kinds of fish. They live in water. Fish have fins. They use their fins to move in water. There are scales on fish body. Next, we creep and crawl. Creep means moving slowly and crawl means moving forward on hands and knees. Chameleons, house lizards and snakes are animals that crawl. They have scales on their bodies. They have 4 legs, but these legs are very short. The snake does not have any legs at all. Next, we are called insects. Butterflies have wings, but we don't call them birds. They are insects. They are smaller than birds. Besides, they have 6 legs. Animals that have 6 legs are called insects. So, butterflies, mosquitoes, houseflies, and cockroaches are insects. Hope you understood our second lesson, so many kinds of animals. Thank you.